In this video, I'm going to go over another way that the group carousel module can be used. So I'm going to start by adding another section, one column. It's going to be a group module. One thing I like about Divi is the technical nature of it. I'm going to use heading tag, like the way Flexbox, which is another feature of Divi 5, is used. If you look at the documentation from Mozilla about the Flex layout and CSS, it's clear what everything does. Okay, so I have a title text here. I'm going to go into design, heading text H2, change it to H2. I'm going to use a global color, hashtag FFF, which is white. I'm going to change the font to Roboto. I'm going to go into sizing. The alignment will be center. I'm going to change the text to our team. Then I'm going to add a group carousel module. Then I'm going to add one column. So I'm going to use an image module. There's the image module. And I'm going to add another module, which will be a text module. One below will be a text module. And then I'm going to add at the bottom a social media follow module. Add two more social media buttons. One will be Instagram. Then I'm going to use the YouTube icon, TikTok, WhatsApp. Okay, then I'm going to change the image here. I'm going to use a stock image. This one here, this guy. I'm going to go into design, sizing, center. I'm going to make this an H3. It's using a preset. So I'm going to go into heading text, H3. Let's make it Roboto. Let's change the color to white. Change text size to, let's try 22. Go back to content. Actually, before that, what I'm going to do is make this a preset. So add new preset. I said I was going to use multiple new features from Divi 5. So I'm going to make this a preset. Let's actually change the font weight to bold. Now I'm going to go into content. I'm going to change it to CEO. I'm going to go into sizing. Change the alignment to center. Actually, here I probably want the text alignment to be center. There we go. Why is it not changing though? Okay. CEO. There we go. I'm going to leave the text the same here. The only thing I'm going to change is the alignment. So design, text alignment center. I'm also going to make the alignment here center, not the module. I'm sure that won't do anything. Let's go into sizing, alignment center. Then I'm going to go into border. Make the border radius here 20. Okay. So now all the icons are circular. So it has some spacing, top 10. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the module group settings. I'm going to design, spacing. Let's add a padding of 30 pixels all around. And then let's make the image also have a border radius. Let's try 200 pixels. I can say 400 by 400 image. So if I do half that, so 400 by 400 image will have a radius of 200. So if I make the border radius 200, it'll be perfectly square. Let's change, go to layer, let's change the size of this. Let's change the font weight to bold. Maybe let's make it in the heading text size 22. Save preset. Here should be smaller. Let's go over text. Let's make it 16. Let's keep it at 18. Text font, Roboto. Let's change the background color here to white. Okay. With that, I'm going to change all the text. Okay, there we go. Let's make the text here black. So let's make it maybe a gray color. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate. Actually, I'm going to go into carousel settings. Carousel settings. Let's do automatic rotation. Slides to show 3. Slides to scroll 3. Now I'm going to duplicate this group. I'm going to duplicate it again. And now for this group here, I'm going to make it so there's a margin of 30 pixels on the right. Let's do the same for these two. Let's go to the group settings, design, spacing, extend padding attributes. No, that could cause problems. Let's just do this individually. Let's paste. Just go into group, design, spacing 30 on the right, margin. Now I'm going to go into. Now I'm going to do the same for this one. Spacing 30 on the right. Okay. Now why is this bigger though? The image is also bigger. We did not want to duplicate it. Group, design, spacing 30 on the right. So now they're all the same size. Now what I'm going to do is just change the picture and the titles. These are all stock images. This will be the CPO, Chief People Officer. This will be the CTO. I also need to include the names of these people. So let's add another title module and a text module. Let's make this another H3. This guy, Chris Smith. I wonder if I can just go into heading text. Text 3. There we go. And now I'm just going to go into sizing, alignment center. Let's actually place this above. All I'm going to do now is replace the positions and the names of these people. So here, the image will be, pick this woman here with the hat, and glasses, and the name will be, let's call her Angelica. Oops. Okay. Let's make her. Why didn't it change? So wait for the last one. Okay. Let's call her Heidi Barrett. Okay. Her first name will be something like, let's call her Claire. There we go. And she'll be should her title be Chief? Just call her the Chief Artistic Officer. Save draft. And the last thing I'm going to do, go into the carousel. I'm going to give each group border radius of maybe 30 pixels. And I'll do this to border attributes. Paste all border attributes. Paste all border attributes. This for all 6. We go into the carousel settings, design, spacing. Let's add some padding on the left. There we go. So add some on the top as well. Let's try it out. Looks good. I'm going to save the draft. And that will conclude this tutorial. This was another example of the group carousel module. This was a longer video. Props if you stuck all the way till the end. Like the video, leave comments below the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.